My name is B. Harika. I am studying 9th class. Today's important National Seed Day, International News. Trump commented that the Prime Minister Modi is not very happy with him due to the high tariffs imposed by India. The Trump administration announced that if he is making major changes to the US periodic vaccine schedule, service heat waves are sweeping across Australia, leading to widespread fights, bans and safety warning. The Danish Prime Minister said that any attempt by the US to acquire Greenland would signal the end of NATO unity. Israel carried out airstrikes on the southern and eastern ranges of Lebanon. The earthquake of the magnitude 6.2 struck in Japan. No loss of life or property occurred. Germany Council Friedrich Merz will be visited India on 12th and 13th of this month. National news. Haryana state is all set to launch India's first hydrogen-powered train. India has surpassed China in rice production, becoming the world's highest rice producer. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, 55 liters work from the five ancient languages of the India. The BCSE has launched a physico-social counseling support program to reduce the exam stress among students. Health accepts the issued warnings that the overuse of antibiotic medicines is leading to the increasing the antimicrobial resistance. The Reserve Bank of India will manage Delhi banking operations and government debate under a new framework. India is accelerating key hydroelectronic projects in the Herban River. The CBS has issued comments to TVK Chief Vijay in connection with the stipend case in Karur, Tamil Nadu. State news. Chief Minister Narendra Modi revived that the Isumanda gas leak incident and assured that the assistance would be provided to the victims. To east the Sankranti rush, APSRTC will operate 8,432 special buses. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu is visiting the Polavaram project site today to inspect the final phase of the diagraphy wall works. The second phase of land acquisitions for the capital city Amaravati brings today. The government is introducing QR codes on ration rice bags for the first time of the country. Orders have been issued declared January 16, the day of Kanuma festival, as the public holiday. Sports news. Indian young player Ashu Shetty has reached the pre-quality finals of the Malaysia Open Badminton Tournament. Australia gained a strong hold over England in Dunedin with the massive centuries for the Head and the Smith. Weather news. Warning have been issued that the north and central India should prepare the serve cold winds with the temperature expected to drop by 2 to 30 degrees Celsius. Today's good word. Once we start fighting for our dreams, the world itself begins to change in our favor. Health tips. Eating food that has been reheated repeating damages the digestive system. Today's GK question. What is the name of the instrument used to measure normal atmospheric pressure? I repeat it. What is the name of the instrument used to measure normal atmospheric temperature? The answer is barometer. Thank you.